welcome to my channel and to my home. My name is Brittany, and today I am so happy to be here with you because today's video is the first official video of the fall 2021 season here on my channel. I have been busy decorating the house for autumn, and I cannot wait to share it with you. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite fall beverage, get cozy, come on in, and let's get to decorating. This year, I am really excited to share this fall decorate video with you because I actually did not buy any new fall decor this 2021 fall season. 99% of the decor you will see in this video is from seasons past. I've been collecting seasonal decor for many years now. All the items you see in this video were used in last year's video, actually, but they have been completely reimagined and I've used them in totally different ways. I even rearranged all the furniture downstairs, so it's going to give it a completely different look. I wanted to show you that you can have fresh style and decor each year and with all of the changing seasons without spending too much. This really is a collection of fall decor from over a decade. So I just want to use my imagination here and a little creativity to reimagine the pieces that I've loved for so many fall seasons prior. So if you haven't seen last year's video, be sure to check it out. There's lots of fall inspiration there too, and I will link it in the description below. To use old books in my home decor all year, but especially during the fall. I think it gives such a cozy vibe. I find most of mine at local used bookstores. Some of them are hand-me-downs, which makes them even more special, but I just love what they bring to a space. candlesticks to create height in my home decor is one of my absolute favorite techniques. It is so simple and can be pretty cost effective. I found the ones in this video on Amazon and at Kirkland's. If you watched last year's Fall Decorate With Me, then you might remember this dough bowl. I'm reimagining it this year as a centerpiece for my breakfast table with my favorite velvet pumpkins. These pumpkins are probably one of my favorite fall pieces that I've had forever and ever. I found them at Hobby Lobby years ago. I don't know if they still have them there. I haven't seen them. I don't know if I saw them last year, but I hope they bring them back because these are some of my favorites. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for decorating my home with me for autumn. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you're decorating for fall, what theme you're going with, what are your favorite colors to use around your home this time of year. I want to know. Let me know in the comments below. Again, I just want to say thank you. I'm grateful for you, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.